Hi, guys. I'm Dr. Terry Dinkovich from Folia Water, but we're going to be calling ourselves Folia Materials because we realize that our technology is more universal than just water filters. Basically, we have the world's cheapest way to make nanoparticles on a paper machine. We do this by using commodity materials like wood pulp, metal salts, and then our AP is literally done on a paper machine or other really real processes. And then we package it into consumer goods products like the water filter, which I'll talk about in a bit. The reason why we're here today is my co-founder, Jonathan, spent many years here at Columbia, 10 in fact, his undergrad and his PhD and his master's. This technology, however, comes from McGill University, where I did my PhD on this particular topic. We've been a company for a few years. We have a couple product lines, as you have imagined by now. Our first one, Folia Water, we have a big project going on in Bangladesh, which is where my co-founder is right now, hiring or onboarding our new hire there for our country director, where we're working with Unilever to introduce the product to that market. And we're also working with Rotoplas in Mexico, another water purification company. And through Plug and Play last year, we got introduced to Tyson Foods, and now we're working with them on an R&D project for food packaging. So Folia Water is the world's cheapest water filter. We use paper as our substrate and have silver nanoparticles on it, which are highly antimicrobial, kills bacteria, viruses, and can physically strain out larger microbes. Our cost per is 20 cents. And it's 1 cent per liter. And this is a huge market. In emerging markets, the bottled water industry is almost $60 billion each year, and that's expected to go up to $300 billion by 2030. And this is not a problem of just the humanitarian, but basically the working poor, where this size of the market overall, which is obviously not our initial market, is 3 billion people who make between $2 and $10 per day. And this is large numbers of people in countries like Bangladesh, India, Indonesia, Mexico, and many other countries. And what we do is basically create IP and then toll manufacture our product and sell this to wholesale to corporates, and then they do the consumer branding with our assistance. And our revenue streams are material sales, IP licensing, and eventually selling product lines. And where we are now, we're at the seed stage. We are doing sales trials to have the enterprise scale proof points. And we're scaling up our R&D and making sure the quality is there. Next year, we plan to do a product launch in one of these countries by the end of the year, and then replicate in the future. And so our goal is to be sold on store shelves in convenience stores all over the world, Folia filters with such big names, such as you can see here, soap and shampoo and all other sorts of consumer goods products. Thank you.